Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are stopping by for the first time, this is De'Belle Makeovers. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful gorgeous look, and at the same time we are going to be discussing ways in which you can grow as a makeup artist fast. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so it can reach more people. So I'm going to leave the list of products I used in the description box while we talk about the ways you can grow fast as a makeup artist. Number one, I'll say is dedicate time to practice. This one sounds like a no-brainer, but the truth is, if you want to grow as a makeup artist and you want to grow fast, then you have to dedicate time to your craft. Makeup is art. The more you practice it, the better you get. No matter how good you are, the more you do it, the better you get. The more techniques you discover, the smoother your lines become, the more flawless your work gets. Especially if you are just starting out, the fastest way for you to perfect your skills is to dedicate time to practice. Don't wait until you are going out or until you get a client, because that will mean that the frequency at which you practice will be low. Some people use excuses such as, "Oh, I don't have anybody to practice on. Oh, I live alone." It's not an excuse. If you don't have anybody to practice on, find people. Your siblings, your friends, your neighbors, your mom, your church member, mosque member, anybody. Make friends with people and use their faces. If you intend to practice makeup professionally, I do not advise that you use only your face to practice. You need to familiarize yourself with different skin tones and different skin textures. You need to experiment with different colors and products. You need to discover what works for you and what doesn't. This will help you to be prepared whenever you meet any kind of client. You'll feel more confident in your skill and your knowledge of makeup application. Number two, invest in products and lighting. Now, don't get me wrong. By investing in products and lighting, I don't mean you should buy the most luxurious brands in the market or the most expensive lights. What I mean is, build your kits gradually. Try as much as possible not to fall for social media hype. Start with the most important products you need to achieve good results. Use a phone that has a good camera quality to take pictures of your work. If you can only buy one artificial light, combining with your natural light, it will still give you a result that is good enough. With time, you can continue to upgrade and build up your kit. Keep reinvesting the money you are making into your business. Even though it's important to keep up with trends in makeup and makeup business, personally, I'm not one that is easily moved by hype. I like to double check that I really need a product or a particular light before I buy, so that I don't waste my money buying things that will just be lying in my box wasting away. I'm sure many of us can relate to this. If you take your makeup business professionally, you'll be mindful of every amount that goes in and comes out, because you have to make sure that you're making profit. And we all know that makeup products and gadgets are not cheap. Number three, learn related relevant skills. So now, you've learned makeup professionally, you've been dedicating time to practice, you've been building your kit, but how do they help you grow? You need to learn the relevant skills that will help you grow in your makeup artistry journey. How do people get to see your work? How do you build your portfolio? Is it everyone that has money to pay a professional photographer that will help you take pictures of your work? The answer is no. That means you need to learn how to take good pictures and record good videos, pictures and videos that will convert viewers to actual clients. You've bought phone, you've bought lights. Does it not make perfect sense to learn how to get the best out of them? Even if you are not tech savvy, thankfully you have YouTube where you can learn almost anything. Learn how to take good pictures, learn how to edit pictures, learn how to film your videos, how to record good videos. Think of any other relevant skills that will help you grow your business. How do you create awareness on social media? That means you need to learn social media marketing. You want to advertise your business, you need to learn how to run sponsored ads. Whatever additional skill that will help your business grow, you need to learn it. It's not enough to be able to do fantastic makeup. You need to learn to be your own operations manager, your own accountant, your own creative director, your own marketer, and so on. And you basically have to learn all this. I always tell myself that when I blow, I will employ people to fill all these roles. But for now, we have to learn to do it by ourselves. Number 4, Maximize social media. Makeup is personalized service, which means that word of mouth is really important. However, social media has made this even easier. Literally, the whole world is at your fingertips. You only need to tap into the endless resources on social media. Figure out which social media platform works best for you, depending on what area you want to focus on, whether Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube. Try to test out all of them and find out the one that works for you best. And actually, I would suggest you focus on maybe 2 or 3 that work best for you. You can do more, but I would advise 3 maximum so that you don't burn out trying to be active creating content on all social media platforms. Be consistent on your chosen platform or platforms. One thing I'll also say is, while you are being consistent, let your focus also be on quality, not just quantity. Try to make your work as clean as possible. Always put your best foot forward in every post. I know there's a common saying that says practice makes perfect, but in makeup artistry, I believe that practice makes progress. So definitely the more you post, the better you get at it. Network with fellow vendors in the beauty industry. Photographers, hairstylists, nail technicians, florists, fashion designers. Collaborate with them if possible. This will also increase and widen your reach in the beauty industry. Number 5, keep improving on your skills. Learning never stops. Even if you've been practicing makeup for years, there's always room for improvement. There's always something you can learn from someone else. Be open-minded and dedicate a part of your profit to improving on your skill. You can set this as a target for yourself periodically. For you to know that continuous learning is very important, in most corporate organizations, I believe there is always a department or something that is referred to as learning and development, and there is usually a yearly budget for it. If businesses that are already big don't play with continuous learning, how much more we that are still trying to grow? Go for upgrades, master classes, boot camps, whatever. Plan ahead for them, and even you will be shocked at your progress in a few years. My last point for now, but definitely the most important, in my opinion, is the God factor. Just like every other aspect of our lives, God makes all the difference. The grace of God just makes everything easier. Pray about your business, pray for God's direction, pray about every shoot, every job, every client, pray on every post you make and every video you upload. Don't compare your journey to another person's journey because you don't know that person's story in full, and comparison is the thief of joy. It's God's grace that will transform your little efforts into huge results. I believe this doesn't apply to only makeup artists or enthusiasts alone. This is important for everyone. Whatever you do, do your best, then pray and commit the rest into God's hands, and God will bless the work of your hands. Obviously, the business of makeup is a lot deeper than this. If you want me to delve deeper into any of the ways I talked about, if you want me to explain more on a particular aspect, please let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do that. Also, if you have any question on the makeup look, please ask in the comment section and I'll definitely respond. And don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed this so far.
Be my baby, let me love you crazy. Let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, be my baby. I ain't gonna be shady. I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love. I won't let us fade away. Even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love. I won't let us fade away. Even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. And give you that red.
Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.
Let's roll love. This ain't gonna be no broken promise.